What's good, Smell Good Squad? Man, I got a banger for you today, man. I just got a fragrance in from Amazon and I found 2 more fragrances at my local Burlingtons, man. So, man, we're going to bust them out the plastic. We're going to bust them wide open. We're going to see how we like them, give them a nice little rating. And, man, if you're into that type of content, stay tuned.
My sense of beast. B.O.B.
What's good, Smell Good Squad? Man, I did not
combos to feed the streets. Yep. I be mixing body oil with the EDPs. And I smell so sweet, now it can't be beat. They like, what you got on? It's Lattafa street.
Or Joe Milano.
Subscribe to the channel, yeah, we coming with heat. For work the day, night, now your swag complete.
You too, man. What's going on? It's your boy D back again. Man, you already know what I'm here to do. I'm here to keep you fresh, fly, and confident. This is the Layered by Scentz channel where we elevating your presence one spray at a time. Like I said in the intro, man, I got 3 fragrances that we're gonna unbox and we're gonna see how we like them. But before we get into the fragrances, hey man, I just gotta ask you guys, go ahead and join the Smell Good Squad, man. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, like the post, and man, go ahead and drop down in the comments to let me know that you're here, man. We like to give you a nice warm welcome. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I just came up on a couple of fragrances, and the first one that we're gonna unbox is Lattafa's Pisa. And yo, I got this for about 39 bucks at my local Burlingtons. We're gonna bust it open. We're gonna see how we feel about it. So man, it's sad to say that this Lattafa Pisa, it is a clone of BVLGARI's Tygar. So man, we're gonna see how good it is. And once I get my Taraffi Blue in, we're gonna do a comparison. This is your box. Nice standard Lattafa box. Nothing too crazy. And we're gonna bust that out the box. Dang, a little rough to get out. All right, man. So look, we got our main presentation right here. Nice big old box. And man, gonna go ahead and bust that thing open. And there's your scent, man. A little Tower of Pisa. Definitely a nice heavy presentation, man. Go ahead and check that out, man. Definitely could hit somebody over the head with it. Nice heavy cap, clicks on, you can hold it by the cap. All right, man, let's get a couple of sprays out in the air to get some of that funk out of the, get some of that funk up out of there. All right, got a couple of sprays. We're gonna see how we like this. So off top, I'm getting that grapefruit and some of those citruses. I really feel like I can smell that Mandarin. Nice woody aspects to it. Yeah, it smells pretty good. So let me check out some of the notes. All right, so as far as the notes, we got top notes of Mandarin. We got some bergamot, some lemon. We got cedar in the mid, and at the base we got sandalwood and amber. Now this smells pretty good, but I do have another clone of Tygar, which is from Alexandria Fragrances, called Black Panther. So I definitely feel like that Black Panther, it kind of takes a different accord, but pretty similar in the smell profile. I would say that Black Panther probably is a little bit stronger. And I'm heard that Taraffi Blue is very good, a very good interpretation. But I think this one here, this is pretty good, man. It's definitely heavy on the citrus at the top. You get some of that sparkliness from the Mandarin. And that dry down, you're getting that woodiness from the cedar. And man, you definitely can smell that amber coming through to kind of tie it all together. So this is definitely a nice freshie, a nice summertime scent to hold you down. And yeah, man, I don't think there's nothing wrong with this one right here. So I think if you're looking for a BVLGARI Tygar clone, I think this is a good alternative. But like I said, man, I got Taraffi Blue coming in, so we're gonna test that and we're gonna see which one is better. But I've heard that Taraffi Blue is off the chain, so man, I'm hoping that that one for sure is fire. And this one right here, I'm telling you, man, this Pisa, it is pretty nice, man. It is pretty damn nice. So, man, if you're looking for a interpretation of Tygar and you see this at your local Burlingtons, don't be afraid, man. Go ahead and pick this thing up, man, because the quality is great, man. You're definitely not getting the alcohol blast at the top, and I think it's done pretty well. So I think it's done pretty well. So that is Lattafa's Pisa. Alright, so next up, man, we got that Armaf's Infinity Black, man. Let me go ahead and bust this on out the pack. So, man, we got our box presentation. And, man, this is a very nice box presentation. It has nice little graphic on it, and it just feels presidential. So, man, we got our little strings on here that's holding it down. We'll take them on off. And I'm guessing we just open that thing up and bam, there you go. Your presentation right there. Your bottle is right there, nice and snug. But there we go right there. We got our Armaf's Infinity Black. So this one is said to be a clone of a discontinued fragrance, which is YSL's L'Homme Homme Tea. So, man, this definitely had me intrigued because, man, if I remember about that YSL, I'm telling you, that was a fire fragrance. It was definitely an everyday type of scent, something that you could wear in multiple situations. So I'm hoping that this does it justice. We got our weird little bottle presentation. Got that little donut hole in the middle. And pretty nice bottle presentation, man. It got silver on the sides and the cap is pretty full. Nice enamel cap. On the top, we got Armaf on the top of the atomizer. And let's go ahead and get a couple of those factory sprays out. Ooh, I smell that in the air. Now, damn, that's fire. Alright, so, man, this one right off top, man, when it opens up, you're definitely getting the hit of like that peppery note. Definitely that citrus coming out, just peeking out up under that pepper. Now this definitely has that L'Homme DNA, but I think it has a little bit more of a bite, like a nice fresh bite to it. The florals are definitely there. They're definitely nice, fresh, and clean. And you're definitely picking up those woody nuances with that amber. And just a light whisper of some tobacco, man. So this one right here, this is definitely a nice scent. This is pretty unique. This is one that is pretty refreshing from all the other fragrances that we get. We get a lot of summer fragrances that have just a lot of citrus, ginger, and things of that accord, and florals, but this one definitely gives it a nice little differential. All right, let me see if I can find some of the notes to this. We got top notes of bergamot, pepper, lemon, and then we got a mid of white flowers. We got some woody notes, some rose, and then some more woody notes in the base, amber, and tobacco, man. So, man, this one is definitely power packed, and, man, all the ingredients in this one, they definitely come together well. They really play well with each other. Like those florals and that rose, it's there, but it's just not too overpowering. That citrus, it just rounds it out and kind of brings it all together. And then you get some of that sweetness off that tobacco, man. So I think this one right here is definitely a great pickup. This is one of those ones that you probably should put into your collection. I feel like it's a mass appealing scent, and it would definitely go for more masculine, even though I feel like this is in between unisex. Like a woman could definitely get away with this, but I think it's just a little bit more masculine from that peppery accord. But man, this is definitely fire. So man, if you don't know about it, if you haven't checked it out, go ahead and put your eyes on it. Man, if you can get you a tester of it, get you a tester of it. But man, for about 35 bucks, you're definitely not missing out on this one. So man, go ahead, check it out, man. This is that Armaf's Infinity Black. So next up, we got another banger for you, man. And this one I'm definitely excited about checking out. Now, one of our creators in the community, Cologne, he collabed with Rayhaan for this scent, and man, it's no other than that Rayhaan's Tygar, man. And man, this is a banger, man. Like I said, I caught this at Burlingtons. I don't think I paid any more than like 35 bucks for this. So man, definitely a good deal. We're gonna go ahead and bust them out the plastic, and we're gonna see what Cal talking about. I definitely enjoy your content, bro. Like, I definitely been watching for a while, and man, you really been doing your thing. So just seeing one of us out here, man, getting a chance to collab and do a fragrance is pretty dope. Which is a few of you guys that are on YouTube that got a chance to do a fragrance, but man, I think that is inspirational, and man, it makes the smaller creators like us strive for greatness, man. Y'all definitely setting the bar high. So we got our box presentation, which is a simple box presentation. Nothing too special. We got the name of the house. We got our information on the bottle. Man, we're gonna go ahead and pull it out. Like I said, man, this one, it doesn't have a crazy presentation to it, just a normal presentation. But look at that bottle, man. That is a very beautiful bottle, man. We got the name of the house on the side. We got these nice little engravings on the back, which I noticed a lot of their scents that have been coming out kind of has this engraving. I think the Pacific Aura and the Pacific has this on the back. But yeah, very nice bottle, man. Nice engraving for sure. So man, you see it at the top. It's that Cologne, and like I said, man, it's pretty dope. Oh, okay, a little magnetic cap action. Very strong cap too. Very strong, so pretty nice. All right, let me get another test strip. And we're gonna see what old Cologne is talking about. So give it a couple sprays, get some of that factory funk out of it. Ooh, nice atomizer. We're gonna spray that on. Look, man, right off top, this one is different, man. This one has a pleasant smell to it. But it's just not like your normal citrus colognes. It's not like your normal blue colognes. And this one is definitely different for what I'm used to, man. But this is a nice scent profile, man. Now I'm getting some of that tea. You know, definitely getting that tobacco hit, like the sweetness from that tobacco right off top, man. So I don't think I'm picking up a bunch of citrus, but I'm definitely getting all of that spice. And the fragrance that is cloning, I can't pronounce it, but I will put it on the stream because I'm not going to embarrass myself butchering the name. But yeah, man, this is pretty nice. This is something different. This may not be something that you wear all the time. Definitely a wintertime, fall time type of scent. But you're definitely gonna be smelling different from anybody around. Let me see if I can find some notes on this one. So at the top we got nutmeg, clove, and lemon. Okay, so those are those nice spices that I'm smelling at the top. In the mid you got rose, you got milk, you got lactonic notes, and then in the base you got that patchouli, frankincense, some amber, and some labdanum. So man, this thing is definitely a spice bomb. This thing definitely gives me like oriental vibes. But man, this is boss man vibes. Now I can see myself rocking this, going to like a cigar lounge, and man, I think this is one of those ones that's gonna hold you down, man. You definitely can wear this at a date night. You can definitely wear this at like a special type of dinner. Like this is one of those ones that you pull out when you want to make a statement. This one right here, this is a statement piece. So yeah, definitely fooling with a cow, man. This one right here, this is a 9 out of 10 for me, man. Yeah, this one right here for sure, man. I can see myself on some boss man vibes, doing my thing. No holds bar, no prisoners taken type of deal. Like, yeah. That is very nice. So this is one of those scents that I feel like you're definitely gonna have to put your nose on. It's just not one of those ones that I feel like it's mass appealing. This is definitely for the man's man, you feel me? But if you like to smell different, you like to have a little bit of that tobacco hit with some florals and spice, and this is the one, man. I'm telling you, this is a pickup. So definitely check it out, man. This is that Rayhaan's Tygar, man, that Cow Cologne edition, man. So I'm definitely happy with that. So look, we got our 3 scents. So look, man, we got our 3 scents that we checked out, that we've unboxed, and man, I feel like, man, it's all wins today. They all were definitely a win. All have a nice profile and their own type of profile, and I feel like, man, that Infinity Black, definitely a nice everyday driver. I'm feeling like that Cow Cologne is pulled out at the special times when you want to make a statement and be a boss. And then, man, you got that Pisa. That Pisa is definitely a summertime banger, something that you could wear as a no-brainer, man. So, man, I think we definitely made some good choices and picked up some fire scents today. All right, man, so there you have it, man. 3 brand new scents to my collection that we tried out, and man, like I said, man, definitely all wins today. So man, if you like this type of content, I definitely got to tell you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and lock in with the squad and become a member of the Smell Good Squad, man. Now we are a family, we are a community of frag heads, and man, I just love to talk fragrance. So man, if you got any of these, or you have anything that's similar or something that you like and you want to talk about, go ahead and drop down into the comments. We can have a discussion about it. Go ahead and put your boy on. If it's something that you like that I may not know about, I definitely want to know about it so I can go check it out. And man, if you guys have any ideas on type of content that you guys want me to make, go ahead and let me know. Tell me down in the comments. But man, this has been the Layered by Scentz channel. I'm your boy D. You know, we elevating your presence one spray at a time. And man, I'm gonna stay here all times to keep you fresh, fly, and confident. So man, if you want to keep going down the rabbit hole and find out about more scents, or man, you just on the video binge, go ahead and watch the next video. And man, subscribe down there, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.